This one is 48 volt power charger for e-bike, and this one also same, but the rating is different. If I see the cover, this one is showing 48 volt, but it will go to up to 59 volt when charging. And this one is actually written totally Chinese, and only the instructions, not the rating. So what the problem happened, this charger, the cover is broken like this, and here was the fan. This is the fan broken, and fan touched the wire. After that, what happened, this wire is broken from the fan and get short, and then it was not charging. So this is the very small reason. I think it is when it is short, it is stop charging and not charging the battery. Now I will remove the broken fan and I will put the other fan, which is from this one. And here what happened, this charger, you can see this one IC is fully damaged, and this resistance, other resistance also damaged. So I will replace, and then it will works.